You're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. Yeah, save me. You're gonna be the one that.
5,
Oh, you have
4,
to be the one that
3, 2,
saves.
1.
You've always been the one, yeah, that'll never change. Bright like the sun, but real like the rain. Yeah, your head stays numb, but your heart feels pain. You wanna stay young, but you feel the time change. And I know it sounds dumb, but I feel the same way. I wanna be the one that could take away your pain. Yeah, we could just run somewhere far away and never look back at the past so faint. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. Yeah, save me. You're gonna be the one that. Oh, you have to be the one
5,
that
4,
saves.
3,
And I wanna feel
2,
love, know you feel
1.
the same way. We fit like a glove when we're sleeping late. Ain't nobody gonna come in between us today. You're the one I want and I'm willing to wait, yeah. Keep your head up, don't
5,
let up. We gon'
4,
make it through it, get
3,
up. Take a breath,
2,
yeah. Don't know what
1.
we're doing yet, but when I met ya, I knew that I won't regret ya or forget ya. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. Yeah, save. You're gonna be the one that. Oh, you have to be the one that saves. We stay up late and sleep through the day. Every time you're at my place, yeah, you misbehave. Every time we're away, yeah, you miss me, hey. No, I feel the same way, so don't leave, just stay. And it ain't always gonna be easy. Sometimes you're gonna hate me, wanna leave me. I know I'm not perfect, but believe me, without each other, girl, there ain't no meaning. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me.
5, 4, 3,
You're gonna be the one that saves me. Yeah, save. You're gonna be the one that. Oh, you have to be the one that saves me. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess.
5,
I got a crush on
4,
you, darling.
2,
The long tan
1.
legs got me falling. And I know we just met. Yeah, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth.
5,
Oh no,
4,
yeah.
3,
I wanna take
2,
you out on a
1.
dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy. Call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying. Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of
5,
the summertime,
4,
way back in 2003.
1.
Hey, I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl. The palm trees and the time moving slow, girl. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. Pina coladas on
5,
tap, we alone,
4,
girl.
3,
I want a piece of you,
2,
you want a
1.
piece of me. Ray-Bans on, gotta block out the heat. I love your smile too, I've never felt so free. Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that summer only lasts 3 months. Yeah, yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. So we can stop anytime you want. Cause we on the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. But I already found the one. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was
5,
yesterday. She
4,
was so beautiful
3,
to me.
2,
In my
1.
mind sometimes I run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Some different plans, it's broken by design, and I left all of my friends. I wish that I was fine, but the pain, it never ends. It's never summertime, winter always pulls me in, and I feel so lost, and I feel so down. No, this pain won't stop, with my face up on the ground, and I wish I could drop, and just make myself drown, in the life that is not. Yeah, you always let me down. You left me outside in the cold again. I think I'm alright, but I'm lost within. Took over my life, so it has to end. It's over this time, yeah, you came and went. You left me outside in the cold again. I think I'm alright, but I'm lost within. Took over my life, so it has to end. It's over this time, yeah, you came and went.
2, 1.
I know that I might be crazy. I wish that I could forget you, baby. I don't know why, but I feel lost lately. Looking for someone who might just save me. I don't wanna waste any time, I'll be fine. Have to get you all out of my mind, so I grind. Don't know what I'm looking for, I feel like I'm blind. Wish that I could just go and rewind. You left me outside in the cold again. I think I'm alright, but I'm lost within. Took over my life, so it has to end. It's over this time, yeah, you came and went. You left me outside in the cold again. I think I'm alright, but I'm lost within. Took over my life, so it has to end. It's over this time, yeah, you came and went. It's that first day of first grade, that cute girl, your third day, that backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're okay, you learn from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school, we thought we were so cool. We'd steal Jack, my dad's stash, and drink the whole night through. The first time you first moved, dad's new job, a new rules, new student, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse, dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse. Yeah, family comes first, remember all the good and forget about the worst. Yeah, some things will burn and others will hurt, but you can make it work. Yeah, just flash back and be glad that you can look back at a good past, happy that you have that. I like living in the past, it makes me thankful for everything I have. Yeah, every time that I laugh, it makes me grateful for the present and the past. Yeah, don't live life too fast, take it all slowly and you can make it last. Yeah, keep all the friends that you had back in your math class, be glad that you have them when you look back. Look back, look back, look back, look back, look back, look back.
3, 2, 1.
It's that time that you got caught, you snuck out and forgot. Your parents were so mad, but man, she was so hot. That time you got too drunk, the first time you blew chunks. It's okay, we all drank too much when we're too young. The first time you held hands, your first time in romance. You thought you had no chance, but still asked her to dance. The time that you moved out, your parents were so proud, and waving goodbye, they held back their tears somehow. Let's go. All lives are the same, but we can work together and we can make a change. Yeah, this life is strange. Remember all the good while forgetting all the pain. Yeah, think back to a day when you were so free just to run around and play. Yeah, you can have that day, just let go, let your mind run away. Yeah, and learn to be young, have a little fun with your friends in the sun. Cause in life you only got one, give yourself a break, quit living on the run. And be where your feet are, laying down at night just stare up at the stars. Yeah, and be proud of who you are, wear your memories on your sleeve like a scar.
All right, another workout in the book. So I hope you enjoyed that beginner full body routine. Today's workout, we did focus a little bit more, I guess you would say like a little bit more on the lower back opening, because I wanted to get those thoracic spine rotations in. And also when it comes to lower back, the hamstrings. So you can see towards the end I did those inchworm planks with the hand walk that stretches out the hamstrings, which will help release tension on the lower back. So again, these beginner workouts are designed that if you are a complete beginner and you have some decent strength and mobility, you can get into some of these. And the beauty of all these videos is if you don't understand or if it's too hard, you're still not sure what to do, just comment down below. I'm like one of the few, well not the few, there's like a million YouTubers nowadays, but I'm one of the guys that actually responds to these comments as best as I can because I have a YouTube Studio app. So the second someone comments, I have all these notifications on. The only time that sometimes I don't get a comment or a request is that if you reply directly to the video, like we have to start a little thread, but just make sure that you actually check the comments. So if you're leaving a comment on my channel trailer, or if you're leaving a comment on any other videos, just make sure you check that because I promise to God, I will do my best to respond, especially right when the video is released and comments are being posted on there. So again, I hope you really enjoyed this routine. If you're new here, please subscribe, click that bell so you don't miss any of my latest and future content that I'll produce. Give this video a like so you help out the channel because that'll mean the world to me because I really love doing these videos and I'm taking time out of my day. This is like my 4th workout today. I shot 3 other videos with my videographer. I did a workout this morning, so like, yeah, this is workout number 4. It's crazy. But these are short. These are easy for me. And I'm actually kind of blessed I get to do these beginner routines and take you along on my journey because as I start doing more intermediate and advanced and making these workouts longer, from 10 to 15 to 20 to even 30 or 40 minutes, don't worry, we'll go there. I'm going to be sweating bullets and dying here. But I just want to take you along and just show you the ropes because I didn't really have a good guide other than fitness magazines growing up. So I want to serve as an inspiration for you to guide you along in your journey. And always remember, if you need more in-depth coaching, I'm just a phone call away. We can set up a call. We can go over your roadblocks, your struggles, your frustrations, and help you come up with a clear-cut, concise plan to help you along. So again, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next workout.